Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Thank you for joining this session at the International Conference of Community Service. Today we present our work with the title Community Empowerment for Zero Waste, Mixed Method Study of the Behavior Change and Sustainable Practice in Rural Magelang. This project was conducted by a team from Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta and Sekolah Vokasi Universitas Gadjah Mada under the PPM Muhammadiyah schemes. Let's dive into how we address waste management challenge in Jamus Kauman Village, Ngeluar, Magelang. Our multidisciplinary team led by me, Willis Diana, include expert in civil engineering and community development. Together we aim to create a clean and productive environmental through the sustainable waste management in Ngeluar, Magelang. This project reflects UMY commitment to research and community service aligned with the global sustainability goal. In rural Magelang, inadequate waste management led to environmental degradation and health risks. Open burning and improper disposal were ramped due to limited knowledge and infrastructure. Our objective were twofold. First is to evaluate the impact of community training on the sustainable practice, and the second is promote 3R, reduce, reuse, and recycle, and circular economy model. We target 22 households focusing on waste segregation, organic processing, and waste donation initiative. We employ a mixed method approach, combining pre- and post-training survey, focus group discussion, and stakeholder interview. Data we gather using Likert scale and open-ended question, then analyzed through descriptive statistic and priority test to measure significant triangular ensure robust insight by merging quantitative and qualitative finding. Before the intervention, only 22% of households segregate waste, while 68% relies on oven burning. Just 41 had basic knowledge of the 3R principle. Key barriers include lack of infrastructure and low community surface, each cited by 46 of participants. This finding underscored the urgent need for the education and systemic solution. As shown here, initial awareness of the 3R concept was low. Only 14% didn't know it all. Waste segregation was sporadic, with the only 27 practicing it often. Alarmingly, 74% burn plastic waste, highlight the critical gaps in the sustainable practice. Post-training results were transformative. 85% adopted waste segregation and overburning dropped by the 60%. Confident in applying 3R principle rose to the 78% and 70% participating in waste donation program. Composting and eco-enzyme production show high adoption rate. However, challenges like infrastructure gap and time constraint persisted. Community feedback revealed that 91% now understand waste management concept, and 53% are most likely to practice 3R concept. The most valued training material was waste sorting and composting. Notably, 55% expressed confidence and proper waste segregation, and many plan to share knowledge or join waste charity. In conclusion, our training significantly improved practice and reduced open burning. Key recommendations include distributing low-cost composting kits, expanding waste bank, integrating waste education into school, and advocating for policy support. Community empowerment like maggot cultivation proved highly effective. This photo and video capture our hands-on workshop and community engagement. We extend our deepest gratitude to Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta for the funding for this project, and to the Jamus Kauman Village participants for their trust and collaboration. Together, we paving the way toward zero waste. Thank you. UMY ada, masyarakat berdaya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.